Hi! Hello! Hi! I can't hear you, baby. Baby, no, I cannot hear you. Hello? Hi!
Hi,
Yay! I can hear you now. Hello, mommy. Good evening. Good evening, baby. Can you tell me your name?
my name is Kwai.
Yes, Kwan. My name is Teacher Leah. I will be your teacher for this for we will be having many classes, okay? Nice to meet you, Kwan. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow! Did you eat your dinner? Did you eat your dinner already, baby?
I eat rice,
Wow, rice. What else?
egg,
Wow! Okay, baby. Baby Kwan, my apology because teacher is sick today. I have a runny nose, so my apology. But can you understand me? Can you understand me?
uh,
Can you hear me well? Can you hear me?
yes,
Can you see me well?
yes,
Yay! Okay, that's the only thing that I want to know. Okay, Kwan, are you ready?
yes,
Okay, so before we start our lesson, I want you to listen to teacher and eyes to teacher, okay?
yes.
Okay. Okay, let me pull out the lesson. Again, baby, my apology because teacher has a runny nose right now and teacher is very sick today. And I'm really excited to meet you. That's why I want to see you right now. Okay? Hold on. Let me share my screen. And tell me if you can see the picture. Can you see it?
Yes, I can
Yes.
see.
Okay, let's start our lesson. Can you hear it? So we're going to have a class that I hope our class will be very fun and very, happy, energetic. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, so our topic is about, look at the picture, Kwan. Can you see the picture?
yes, I can see.
Can you tell me, what can you see in the picture?
I see is a children's
Okay, there are many
a
kids, right?
children.
Children. And what are they doing?
The children is playing.
The children, there are many things that the children are doing because our lesson is watch us, we're moving. Are you
Yes,
ready?
yes.
Okay, can you read the title, baby? Watch us,
What are
we're moving.
where my way
Moving, baby. Moving.
moving, moving.
Yay! Very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay. Wow, what can you see in the first picture, baby?
Is children play. Is children play.
The first picture is actually the kids are playing. The first picture, what is the boy doing?
The boy is riding. The boy is playing with car.
Okay. Skate. I think that the first picture is skate or skating. The boy is skating. Can you read it, baby? Skate. Skate.
Sky. Sky.
Very, very good. The second picture, what is the girl doing?
The boy is.
The girl, baby, the girl.
The girl is jumping.
Yes. Jump, jump, jump. Can you say it, baby? Jump, jump,
Jump.
jump.
Jump. Jump.
Yay! And the third picture, Kwan. What is the boy doing in the third picture?
The boy is playing with the sun.
Skip. The boy is playing skipping rope, or can you say it? Skip, skip, skip.
Skip. Skip.
Very good, Kwan. And lastly, what is the girl doing?
The girl is running.
Running or
Hopping.
hopping, 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 hopping. Hop, hop, hop.
Hop. Hop. Hop.
Okay, very good. Okay, baby, can you read them all? Skate, jump, skip.
Jump. Skip. Hop.
Very good. Okay, now, baby, can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you jump? Jump, jump. Very good, baby. Hop, hop, hop. Very good job. Okay, you may sit down. Thank you for that. Teacher is very happy. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Look at the picture, Kwan. The girl, what is the girl doing?
The girl is climbing.
Climbing. Yay! Okay, let's practice. Climb, climb, climb.
Climb. Climb.
Climb.
Climb.
The second picture, what are they doing in the second picture?
Jumping.
They are dancing, baby. Dance, dance, dance.
Dance.
Yay! And the last one, the girl is?
Run.
Run, I do run, run, run. Say it again, baby. Run, run, run.
Run, run, run.
Okay. I will not ask you to dance, okay? Okay, now let's go. Okay, I think we're going to listen. Baby, can you get a piece of paper? Kwan, can you get a piece of paper? One piece of paper because you're going to write.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me, where are these children?
The children is in the park.
Okay, in the playground or in the park. That's also correct. Say it again. The children are in the playground.
The children are in the playground.
Next. How many children can you see? Can you count them? Go, Kwan.
9 children.
9.
There are 9 children.
There are 9. Are you sure it's 9?
Yes. 9.
Yay! Very good. Okay, can you say it? There are 9 children in the playground.
Yeah. There are 9 children in a playground.
Children, baby, no S. Children.
Children.
Okay, remember that because children is already many, okay?
Yes.
Can you see any grown-ups still? Can you see any grown-ups too, baby?
Yes.
Yes. Are there any animals in the playground?
Yes.
Yes. What are these animals?
A
What?
sheep.
A
A sheep.
sheep.
A
Okay, what
bird.
else?
A
Yes.
bird. A dog.
Yes. Very good. A bird, a dog, and two sheep. Two sheep. Can you
2
see the...
sheep.
No, only
No.
one sheep. Am I right? Only one sheep, baby.
No. I can see.
Okay. Only one sheep, not two sheeps. Okay, next. Okay, baby, can you get a piece of paper?
Yes.
Do you have your paper with you?
No.
Okay, get a piece of paper, baby, because you're going to listen and you're going to draw lines. You're going to identify the names, okay?
Yes.
Okay, get a piece of paper, baby. Paper, paper, paper.
My team comes to.
Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
1A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Anne's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Anne? Can you? Can you?
Yes, I can.
Sue's skating now. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Sue? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, baby, can you identify who is May, who is Kim?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me who is May?
The May is jumping.
Jack is jumping, baby.
Yes.
Anne is
Jumping.
playing the... So is the one skating. And Sam is
Skate. Skate.
skipping rope.
Keeping drum.
Dan is listening and
Then
Pat is...
climbing.
Yes. Tom is?
Tom is running.
Okay, very good. And Jill is wearing a t-shirt.
Race. My
Yes. Okay, baby. Okay, baby, are you ready?
yes.
Okay. Some of these words sound the same. Some have the same last letters too. Which words have the same letters at the end? Can you read it, baby?
Yes.
Great.
Bright eyes and can roar like row. Sam am tree pat hat they may run fun.
Yes, they are all have the same words. Great. 8. And
They
can.
are in
Round playground.
Sam and tree
Yes. 3. Tree.
pat pat
Hat. Very good.
may run fun.
Yay! Very good. Good job, baby. Okay, next. So these are the words. Can you read it again, baby? Round playground.
Tree pat hat they may run fun.
Okay. Okay. Can you think of more words that sound like 3 and 3? Can you read this one, baby?
B, he, me, P, she, we.
Okay.
Can you think of more words that sound like my day? Try, say, die.
Okay. These are the same words, baby. They are the same sound. Okay. Be good at verb ing. So these are the sentence structure, baby. Can you read the example? We use good plus at to talk about the things that we do well. Example. What
What
are you good at?
I am good at web writing.
Writing, baby, writing.
Jack is good at jumping. He's reeling it and look. Anna is hopping on 12, number 8.
Okay.
Check.
So,
Assume.
baby, so skating now. Can you read it, baby?
Yes. You.
So skating now. She's going around.
All the you.
Continue, baby.
Pat. Evening. Climbing a tree. A, a, a jeep.
Okay. Tom's very good at running.
A jeep.
Baby, can you read it? He runs all day, but Jill? Okay, babe.
Jack is good at jumping. He's running great. And look, Anna is hopping. Our sweet number 8 Sue is
Skating now.
skating now. He's good in crowd and crowd. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Dance good at dancing 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat is spinning, is climbing our tree.
Climbing, baby,
Tom
climbing our tree.
climbing on the tree. Tom's very good at running. He runs a day,
All day.
all day. But you likes wearing and taking with her big friend mine. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb, or run. We all love movie
And having.
and having lots of fun.
Yay, very good, baby. Okay, listen and draw 4 things in A.
Um,
Okay, fine, baby. Can you try to get a pencil, baby?
maybe
Pencil and
even
paper, baby. You're not going to draw, baby. You're going to...
to the playground.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me what are the 4 things in the picture, baby? 4 things in the picture.
Okay. Children,
No. Things are not moving. They are not alive.
you, my,
No, baby, no. What are the 4 things that are not alive?
a woman,
No, they are alive. Example, bag,
bone,
ball.
dog,
No, duck is an animal, baby.
bag, bone, balloon,
Yes, that's correct. So, bag, ball, box, and bicycle, and balloons too. They are not moving, okay? Or they're not alive. Okay, find the letters to spell the missing word. Moving word, baby. What are the moving word? So, I'll give you an example, baby. Walk.
walk.
Okay, can you search for another?
Then, Miss
What?
Cat
Skate.
jump, jump,
What else?
jump,
What else, baby?
hop, pink,
Yes, very good. Next.
run,
Run. Next.
skip, skip,
Okay.
dance, dance,
What else? Okay, can you read them all, baby?
e,
Walk,
walk, skate,
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 jump,
hopping, hop,
hop,
run, Run.
Skip. Skip.
Dance.
And walk. Yeah, very good, baby. Next. So what is, find the moving words, underline them. So we already find it.
Girl.
Climb. Okay.
Run. Skip. Dance. And go.
And what's the word? Climbing.
Climbing.
Say it again. Climbing.
Climbing.
Very good. Okay, look at the picture. Write yes or no, baby. Are you ready?
Yes.
Look at the example. You can see a tree. Yes, there's a tree. A boy is sitting on the box. No, that's not correct. Okay, number 1. Can you read it, baby?
A blue bird is sitting on the bike. No.
Okay, number 2.
Some is playing basketball. No.
Number 3.
One person is holding a balloon. Yes.
Number 4.
The teacher is wearing a pair of red trousers. Yes.
Okay,
A
next.
boy is kicking a white football. No.
Yes.
The children are standing in the circle. No.
Yeah, very good. Yay, good job, baby. Next. About you. Who do you play with in your playground, baby?
Is your playground big or small? What are you good at? Tell me about your friends. What's your friend's name? How old is your friend? What's your friends good at? I play.
Maybe
I
you're going to fill in the blanks, baby. I play with...
I play with football.
No, to whom? Who do you play with?
I play with friends.
Who are? I play with my friends.
Is your playground big or small?
Is your
Is
playground big or small, baby?
is big. Okay.
Okay, you are good at... What are you good at?
Playground is beautiful.
What are you good at, baby?
Uh,
What are you good at, baby?
is good at children.
Playing? Do you love play? What is your you are very good in where? Are you good in playing basketball, volleyball, soccer?
I am good at basketball.
Ah, okay. How about your friend, baby? Can you tell something about your friend?
My friend is named the uh,
What is the name of your friend? My friend's name is...
Minh.
What is it, baby?
Minh.
What is the name of your friend?
My friend's name Minh.
Ah, Okay. Wow. So your friend is what are your friends good at, baby? Can you tell me?
Yes, my friend is 8 years old.
What is the name of your friend first, baby? What is the name of your friend? And what do you usually do with your friends, baby?
I playing with my friend.
Ah, okay. What else, baby?
Uh, Eating with
Eating. Okay. What else?
go to the school with my friends.
Okay. Go to school with your friends. That's good. Okay. Next is, so baby, this will be your homework today. So, can you tell me, baby, what's your father's name?
My brother name is Thanh. Uh, 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 Thanh.
What's your mom's name?
My mom name's Thanh.
How old is your dad?
My dad is 40.
Your mom? How old is your mom?
My mom is 39.
Ah, what does your father do, baby?
Play with me.
No, I mean, what is the job of your dad? What does your dad do?
I don't know.
What is the job? The job of your daddy, baby? How about your mom? What is your mom doing?
My mom is teacher.
Ah, okay. What is your dad good at, baby?
That's playing with me.
Ah, okay. How about your mom?
The mom is ride the bike with me.
Ah, okay. Do you have a baby brother or a sister, baby?
I have sister.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 11 years old.
Wow. Ah, yeah, older than you. And where is your sister good at?
The the sister is star with me.
She is good at where?
Star with me.
Ah, okay. Very good, baby. Okay. Is your mom a good cook?
Yes.
Ah, that's good to hear. Okay. So do you have any questions, baby? What is your favorite food that your mom is cooking for you?
Dying.
What is it, baby? What is your favorite food that your mom is cooks for you, baby?
A rice.
A rice. What else?
A fish.
A fish. What else?
Noodle.
Oh, noodles. Wow. Very good, baby. Okay. Wow, very good, baby, today. Teacher is very happy because I meet you today. So even though teacher is not okay, teacher is feeling sick today, I was able to meet you today. Teacher is very happy, Kwan. So I hope to see you again, okay?
Yes.
We're not yet done, baby.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye
Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby, I want to ask you a question. What did you learn today on our lesson?
A skip. Skip.
Skip. What are the words that you learned today? Skip. What else? Come on. You can. Yes, run. What else?
Jump.
Yes.
Dance.
Dance. And
Skip.
wow, very good. So these are the words that you learned today. Aside from moving words, what are the things or what else that you learned? What are the things that you learned today aside from moving words? You learned how to identify the names, right? The names.
The name.
Yes, very good, baby. Good job. Okay. Did you enjoy our lesson today, baby?
Skip. Run.
Did you like our lesson today?
Yes.
Me too. Teacher is very happy today. So let's try to continue the lesson on Monday, okay?
Yes.
Yay! Hold on, baby. I will show you something.
Yes.
Hold on. We still have 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Okay, hold on, baby. I will show you something and try to follow the words, okay?
Yes.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay, let me share my screen, baby, okay?
Okay.
And listen to this one. Are you ready?
Yes. What is this?
Rock and learn!
We're going to learn tongue twister today.
Well, hello there.
Hello, hello!
Hey, I've got a question for you. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Well, that makes sense.
It certainly does.
You know, I've got a friend who's a woodchuck. His name's Chuck.
That's a good name for a woodchuck.
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck named Chuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck named Chuck could chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck could chuck wood.
Now that you mention it, I think I've seen Chuck driving around town.
Wow, I didn't know Chuck could drive. What kind of car does he have?
Oh, Chuck doesn't have a car. He drives a truck.
Uh-oh.
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck named Chuck in a truck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck could chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck could chuck wood. Yep, there goes old Chuck now. Say, who is that in the truck with him?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's a duck.
This could get interesting.
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck could chuck if a woodchuck named Chuck in a truck with a duck could chuck wood.
All right, now let's see if you can do it. I'll break it down nice and slow. How much wood?
Baby, let's read it. How much wood?
How much wood
Would a woodchuck chuck?
Baby, would a wood
a chuck
chuck?
with a woodchuck chuck?
Very good.
If a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Baby, if
A woodchuck could chuck wood.
very good. Wood chuck, wood.
Nice! Now sing it with us. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Okay, baby, every time that we have a free talk or free lesson, we're going to learn some different words, okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you again, baby, on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.